Hello and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I back to my BITS 1213 operating system lecture, Dr. Azma. So today our agenda is to create web server configuration where by using VM VirtualBox with the operating system Debian. So here we are going to start up the operating system as usual. Log in to the user menu, and then we will be presented with this desktop view. So click on the activities and go to terminal. So for this part of video, to configure the web browser, the web server configuration, so we will use this coding, which is sudo apt get install apache 2. So this coding will install apache 2. So we will have to include to type in the password for our user, and the installation will start immediately. So this may take a while, so we have to wait for the installation to complete before we further with the next steps. Alright, after the lines of code have end, that means the Apache is already installed. So we can go ahead to activities and click on Firefox and go to the search bar, type in localhost, and then we can see the Debian default page. It says it works. So basically the Apache is working fine, everything is installed perfectly. So we will head back to the terminal, and this time around we will use the code, the line of code, which is the line of command, which is sudo nano var www/html/index.html, and then click on enter. This will bring us to the GNU Nano interface, where you can see there is already lines of code of HTML in there, but now we are going to modify this. So we will press Ctrl K to delete the codes easily. So we will replace by this HTML code. For this example, I will use HTML head and then /head for the header, and then the body will start with center, so that the text that will produce in the web server, the web page, is center, and then we'll put B, so that the text inside the B is going to be bold. So I will put BITS 1213 operating system, final preview project 3, where this you can customize it. You can have other sentences or other words. You can go play around with the wording. So /B to close the bold, and then /center, and then last but not least /body, and then /html to end the coding. So basically we are done with the coding. This is just a basic coding to have a web server, a web page. So we just Ctrl O and then enter, and then Ctrl X to exit the GNU Nano. Okay, now we are going to test the web page. So we can just refresh the localhost page, and as you can see, the wording is there. So the web page is done. That's all for me. Thank you.